Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the January from Paris box. As you all might know already, every month they pick a unique destination and curate products inspired from the destination. Usually their products are fashion accessories, lifestyle and beauty related products. And this month the destination is one of my personal favorites. It's Paris. So I'm very excited. Let's quickly start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the box has reached me. It says, "From Paris, happy girls are the prettiest. Wishing you a happy and magical year. May all your dreams come true. January edition 2018. A very pretty, girly, beautiful box. And the box has reached me in perfect condition. There is no damage at all. Once we open it, we have some leaflets and all the products bubble wrapped here. So everything is really nicely packaged. It's all pretty and girly in different shades of pink. I really like the packaging this time. It's like getting a gift for yourself. So at first let's go through the beauty products. So the first product we have here is from Nature's Co and this is the French Nugget Jasmine Body Mist. It is from their Atmosphere range and it is a 30 ml product. In the ingredients it has blend of essential oils, aloe vera extract, vitamin E, vegetable glycerin and base. Manufacturing is December 2017, expiry is 11/2019 and the cost of this product is 225 rupees. Exclusively made for From Paris box. I love the jasmine scent. I am very happy to receive this, and Nature's Co is a really good brand. Even for their face wash and their products, the fragrance is really exactly like the main ingredient. So I'm very happy to receive this. A mist from Nature's Co is definitely gonna be impressive. And then we have this pink gel nail paint from Avon. It is a 8 ml product and cost of this is 249 rupees. Here are some more details about the product and expiry is 9/2019. I have a couple of different shades from this Avon range and they are really good. They dry quickly, they do not chip so fast. So I am very happy to receive this, and this is a very beautiful pink that will suit all skin tones. It's not too bright but it's not too dull as well. I did like the shade and definitely it's a good product to receive. Then we have this Monsub Deep Brightening and Whitening Beauty Facial Mask. Net content is 25 grams. I do not believe in skin whitening, but this is a good mask if you think of it as a moisturizing mask and something that gets rid of a tan or something. I do not see any visible changes as in any skin whitening in just one-time usage, but if you use it regularly, maybe there will be a difference. The cost of this product is 250 rupees and here are some instructions and usage details along with the ingredients list. I have already used this mask and I do like this mask. It does moisturize my face pretty well and there is a bit of brightening effect, like for a little while. It's like something that you get after doing a facial, but it does give me a glowing skin for quite a few days after using this. So I do like this mask and I'm happy to receive this. Then moving to jewelry section, the first piece of jewelry is inside this cute pink color mesh pouch. So here is a pair of rose gold color ball wrap earrings. Here also they have their Paris Happy Girls Are Prettiest logo, and from the back there is some kind of design on this ball. Quite pretty. These are some things that go very well with any kind of western outfit, but you can wear this with kurtis and suits as well, and I'm happy to receive this shade. I like rose gold color a lot. And then there is something in this beautiful packaging here. So here we have some potpourri inside and we have a ring which is also a double ball kind of ring. It's a very good quality actually. As you can see, this part is very thick and it's like very stiff as well. So this is how you're supposed to wear it. It is adjustable so it will fit all hands, and the pearl quality is also quite good. So I did like this piece of jewelry as well. And then we have something which is gift wrapped like this. So here we have a beautiful photo frame that says "Happy girls are the prettiest." This is the quote by Audrey Hepburn, and this is a poster with frame of 5 into 4 inches. Cost of this product is 299 rupees. And I absolutely love it. This is my most favorite product in the box. I truly believe it, and it is actually the fashion essence of Paris. Ladies, they are carefree, they are so comfortable with what they wear and how they look. It automatically makes them look very beautiful and attractive. I'm sure you would agree that there's something mesmerizing when someone truly smiles or laughs from their heart. I love such happy souls. I try to be more like that. So this is something I loved a lot. I'm very happy to receive such a nice frame. This is really amazing. Then we have a card like this that says skills pay the bills. That's also so true. If you have some skills, you must enhance them, you must work on them, and they are definitely gonna take care of you and your bills. We have a 10% off code here, so you can use that if you're buying something. And finally, we have this leaflet that tells us about this edition. Here it says the January 2018 edition of From Paris box is curated based on the fashion capital of the world, Paris. Known for its freestyle fashion, Paris has inspired us to pick edgy yet elegant products. The box includes the ball drop earrings, French jasmine body mist, whitening and brightening mask, premium nail enamel, the Avon one, artsy wall decor, and a universal sized ball drop finger ring. And this side we have the dressing table pledge. It says, "This year I promise I will remain positive even if my lipstick breaks or mascara shakes. I will call myself beautiful even if my heels crack or pimples come back. I'll keep calm throughout the mood swings and shower love on all pretty things." That is so lovely. I love this thing. I'm probably gonna keep this too along with the frame. This is such an inspiring thought. I love the pledge. This is definitely the essence of being happy and beautiful. I am very happy to have such a box with such a nice thing. Again, this month I love the From Paris box. It's so unique. They come up with these fresh ideas every time. I absolutely love that. This month the theme was truly something I believe myself, so it did appeal to me a lot. Even though I do so many unboxings, I feel something nice and special about this box. It's in a way motivational and inspiring positivity in life. So I love that part. Products were of course all good. In beauty section, my favorite would be the Nature's Co Mist. But in the entire box, I actually ended up liking the photo frame the most. There is no individual pricing mentioned, but the entire box is priced at Rs 699 including shipping, which I feel is quite good for all these awesome products and such an amazing experience. They say you should spend on making experiences and memories rather than buying things. This box is kind of like that for me. If any of you are interested in getting this pretty box for yourself, then all details are mentioned in the description box along with a direct link to their website. So make sure you check it out. There is a coupon code for 3-month subscription as well. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.